If you live in Nigeria and you have a smartphone or you have a laptop and you're still broke, the question I will have for you is, why are you broke? You really want to blame the government? You really want to blame some superstitious belief that the people from your village, now them, they follow you? No. These may have contributed to your being broke, but they are not the determining factor. The only person responsible for you being broke right now is you. Even if you think that it is the government that is responsible for making you broke, you have the power to change the government, but you have not used that power. So at the end of the day, it still comes back to you. If you think that it is people from your father's village or your mother's village that are following you, some power somewhere, they are the ones responsible for making you poor. At the end of the day, you find out that you have the power in your hand to counter and cancel the effects of those people from your father's village, but you have failed to use it. Now, you may think, oh, what I just need is prayer. I need some spiritual intervention. Oh, the things of the physical are controlled by the supernatural, so you need prayer. Even that, you have not been able to pray the way you're supposed to pray because you have failed to take action. At the end of the day, the only person you have to blame is you. And this is not motivation. This is a call for you to take action. And to do that, you need discipline. Now, why are you broke? I'm going to show you today that you can start earning dollars right here, right now in Nigeria, if you take action. If you are able to overcome that procrastination that is holding you back, that is making you give excuses. If you're able to do it, you can start earning money now. Now, it doesn't matter whether or not you have a job or you don't have a job. You can have a job and still be broke. Most of the people who have jobs, they are underpaid. So we call them underemployed. So you can be earning 100,000 and still be broke. Now, it doesn't matter whether you have a job or you don't have a job. If you have a job, fantastic. You can use what I'm going to show you now as a side hustle. In fact, it may very well soon become your main hustle. But believe me when I tell you, you can start earning money now. I know you have tried many of these things before, but this is the time I want to challenge you, because right now it's not motivation you need, it is discipline. You need to decide to take action and eventually take action. I want to guarantee to you that if you discipline yourself enough to take action as you need to, you can start earning money online right now. Yes, you can start earning money online right now. And I'm not talking about affiliate marketing. I'm not talking about selling digital products. Yes, these are ways that you can use to earn money, but it's not immediate, right? I'm not talking about merchandising. You can earn money from merchandising, yes, but it cannot be immediate. You can earn money from brand endorsement, but it may not be immediate. You can sell your own products. It will not be immediate. There is one way through which you can make money immediately. You take action, you see result. You take action, you see result. Now, how much you can make is totally dependent on you, but I can assure you that it is possible and it is doable. In fact, let me challenge you. If after taking action on what I'm about to expose to you today, you don't make $1,000 in 1 month, I will give you $1,000 personally. I will give you $1,000 personally. This is how certain I am that you will make money. All you need to do is take action. It is important that we begin to teach Nigerians to make money. You know why? Because poverty has been weaponized against them. The leadership of Nigeria is bad today because people have weapons, have poverty weaponized against them. So we know the truth, but we cannot speak the truth because we are afraid, where will our next meal come from? So if we're going to solve the leadership problem, then we must solve the money problem of people. We must solve the hunger problem of people. And this is why I feel very, 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 very obligated to teach you and show you how to make money with your phone so that we can take it off from there. It may not be $1 million. It may not be $100,000. It may not be $10,000, but you can start with $1,000, guaranteed. But you must be ready to work. You must be ready to work. Now, if you're interested in it, send me an email. I'll leave my email in the description below. Send me an email, or you can type in the comments, I want to make money online starting immediately. And I'll reach out to you. And trust me, that will be the best decision you'll make in your life. Stop looking for excuses.